Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you saw my last video, we just spent 6 days exploring Singapore and had such an amazing time. But now it's time to head to our next destination, Japan. We're going to meet up with my family and our first stop, Tokyo. Let's go. We're leaving Singapore finally. We're heading to the airport. It's gonna take an hour tram ride. Bye, Singapore. Bye. Thank you. We made it to Japan, finally. There was this baby that wouldn't stop crying the whole night. I'm gonna take the train this time because last time I was in Japan, I made the rookie mistake of taking a taxi and it was so expensive. But since I know my way around now, I am gonna take the train as well as getting a SIM card. Oh my gosh, it's so cold in here. I forgot how cold it is. I haven't felt cold in such a long time. We made it to our hotel, Omo 5. That was a long way, almost 2 hours from the airport, but we finally made it. This is where we're staying, Omo 5. Let's go in. So you can see here, there's a lot of things. There's even a food court. The hotel, I think it's on the upper level. Let's go. We made it. Oh my gosh. We finally made it. Let's go. I'm so excited. Once I arrived at the hotel, I was honestly so amazed by how beautiful it was.
We're staying at the Omofai Tokyo Gotanda, which is actually a brand new hotel that opened in 2024. The lobby was huge and decorated for Christmas, and they had this massive shelf filled with amenities that you could grab. There's also an incredible rooftop with such an amazing view of Tokyo. Not only is it probably the fanciest hotel I've stayed since my travels began, but it also had so many touches of Japanese design and culture throughout the space. When I got to my room, there was a no shoes policy and tatami mat floors, which felt like such a cool introduction to Japan, especially since my family will be arriving soon. I cannot wait to see them. And of course, the view from the room was amazing. After a quick nap, I decided to explore more of the hotel. I even found an indoor gym with a huge window overlooking the Tokyo skyline, of course. Then I headed down to the lowest floor to grab some dinner, and I ended up choosing the taco stand because when am I ever going to eat tacos in Japan again? Probably never. I just woke up from a really long, amazing nap. After not sleeping for almost 24 hours, this was so nice. It is currently 9 p.m. I have all the energy in the world. I did go get some dinner. I'm currently staying in Hotel Gotanda. It is one of the most amazing hotels and newest here in Tokyo. It is so beautiful, so amazing. Everyone's so nice. If you didn't know already, this is my second time being in Japan. My first time, I came by myself, solo traveling from Thailand to Japan for 2 weeks. I wasn't really expecting that big of a culture shock. I still get culture shock. This morning when I was heading to the hotel, the tram stuff and everything, it hits you sometimes and it's a lot to take in. It's overwhelming, but it's fun. But this time I'm not traveling solo. My family is gonna come visit me. They're actually on their way now on a flight from Mexico all the way here. Their flight arrives at 6 a.m. So there's still a lot of time in between. My plan is to go pick them up from the airport. I don't think they know I'm gonna do that. They think I'm just gonna meet them here in the hotel, but I kind of want to start this Japan journey with them. I'm excited to spend Christmas with them, New Year's. We're just gonna wait a bit, wait around. We're gonna go and surprise my parents at the airport. Since I still had a few hours to kill and a lot of energy, I went back downstairs to the lobby. They were hosting this really nice festive evening where guests could try different holiday snacks and even have a little champagne. It felt so cozy and such a fun way to experience a hotel. After that, I headed back to my room, took a shower, and decided to wind down for the night. And somehow watched Home Alone in Japanese. It was amazing. It's currently 2:40 a.m. Let's go pick up my parents. It is 2 degrees outside. That's crazy. Oh my god, it's cold. It's definitely cold. It is currently 3 a.m. Let's see how awake the city is at 3 a.m. So just a quick recap. I am currently going to go pick up my family. Their plane lands in 2 hours. It does take us 2 hours to head to the airport, so we're gonna see how that goes. I am so excited to see them.
This is one of the best coffees in Japan. I love it. I also yesterday got my Suica card, so I have to go and buy them cards at the airport just so they can head this way as well.
I was planning to take the tram to the airport, but when I got there, it was still closed for the morning. So I grabbed a taxi and headed straight to the airport.
Thank you. Arigatou gozaimasu. Just arrived to the airport and it is completely empty. Oh my gosh. The airport is literally empty, which is crazy. Wow. Okay, we're currently in departures, but we want to head to arrivals right here. Okay, we have to go up the stairs. Here it is. That's the airline right there. They arrive at 6:30 a.m. Oh my gosh. Since we have a lot of time to kill, I'm gonna go to the train station and buy their Suica cards just so they can have it already. So this is the Narita Express. This is what I took when I arrived yesterday. It is the most fastest way to get to the city. I believe it is an extra cost added, and then that's the Suica card. If you are at Narita Airport and want to get to the city, you have to buy this and then the Suica card, because that's gonna be your public transportation while you're in the city. So we're gonna buy this first. Oh my god. Google just said that they are here, that they landed. I'm so excited. I've been like tracking them on Google. Let's see the thing. Let's see what it says. Still doesn't say. Well, I'm pretty sure it landed, but it doesn't say. So I think we're good. They just texted that they've arrived, and I texted, okay, I'll meet you guys at the hotel. So they have no idea that I'm here. They're gonna be so pissed. My family is here. They just arrived to Japan. We are gonna try to get some food, some lunch. We are a bit tired, but we're trying to get rid of the jet lag. So we're gonna get some food. We're gonna head right now to Shibuya. We're gonna go to the crossing and the most famous areas. So let's go see.
Shibuya is definitely one of the main places you have to visit when you're in Tokyo. So that was our very first stop on this family trip.
We're at the Shibuya Crossing right there. We're gonna head there right now.
The area is most famous for the Shibuya Crossing, the iconic crosswalk where thousands of people cross from every direction at once. It's actually one of the busiest pedestrian crossings in the world, and seeing it in person is pretty incredible. There's so much more to Shibuya than just the crossing. The whole neighborhood is full of energy. There are tons of fun shops, restaurants, street food stalls, and famous stores like Don Quixote.
We are in Don Quixote right now.
I would also recommend coming here at night because that's when the area really comes alive with all the neon lights, giant screens, and the buzz of the city.
We just arrived to Shinjuku and we're doing a food tour with a company group. This is the name. And we got a private tour by accident. We're gonna head to 4 different types of eateries. We got a tour guide that speaks Spanish, so I'm excited. I decided to do a food tour with my family just so we can get a more diverse opportunity to learn about the food, the culture, the history. I highly recommend doing this if you are traveling, especially for the first time.
If it's your first time visiting Japan, I would definitely recommend going on a food tour. It's a great way to try different local dishes, especially if you're new to Japanese cuisine. There are a few different areas in Tokyo where you can do food tours, but we decided to do Shinjuku, which is famous for its incredible food scene. Our first stop was Omoide Yokocho, also known as Memory Lane. This alleyway dates back to the years after World War II, and over time it transformed into a collection of tiny restaurants and bars, most of them known for their grilled skewers and traditional Japanese comfort food.
So we are here in our first restaurant. She said that we're gonna have some sashimi, which I'm so excited for. It's like raw fish, but she says that they always try to like get the freshest fish every morning. She also said that it's very famous, this restaurant. It's mostly known for drinking and then food, but we're gonna do both today, so let's go. We're in the Godzilla street right now, and we're gonna try the entree, which is seaweed. Itadakimasu. Itadakimasu. Oh, está rico. It's good. I like it. This is a lemon sour. ¿Qué alcohol es? Wow, muy rica.
Esto es sashimi de atún.
Okay.
Esto es sashimi de sangre. ¿Cuánto te la vienes de?
Mira, pone así, papá, poquito wasabi, pero poquitito, así, mira. Kanpai. Tuna. Oye, te estábamos esperando y te comiste. Me gustó más el atún. Karage. This is fried chicken.
Somos todos
Karage.
ya no es el DF, Ciudad de México.
Ciudad de México. Yakisoba.
No por mí, que me has caído muy bien.
Nomás es así.
Está muy sabroso.
This is squid. We're gonna eat some squid. Ready? Cheers.
Gaby, ¿se paga, Gaby? ¿Las dos aquí?
Okay. O sea, sabe rico. O sea, está grilled. We just finished with our first place. It was so good. And now we're heading to our second one. You can also see Godzilla right there. He is so big and so cool. But yeah, let's go to our second place. It's really raining in our food tour. Esto sí es local. We are in our second restaurant. It is influenced by Okinawa, a small island in Japan where people live to up to 100 years. It is very local, very beautiful. So
Se me cayó. And we're gonna eat a healthy meal, supposedly. So we're gonna give it a go. Shukasa. Shikuasa. Sabe tropical o refrescante. Eso es sake. Sabe como a vodka.
Similares a la comida china. Esto se llama unforgettable. Es una ensalada de uva marina. Esto es la uva marina. Textura que cuando uno lo mastica, como que hace pop en tu boca.
It makes sense why they live to 100 in Okinawa, because everything here is so healthy. This is like a tuna salad, and it looks so good. Let's try it. La ensalada está deliciosa.
Es que es muy alto en proteína, pero no tiene proteína.
Como que sabe así como huevito. Pensé que era un huevito de pescado.
This is sweet potato, a fried sweet potato. We're gonna try it with like a sweet sauce. So this is what it looks like. Let's try it. It's pretty good. We ended the night with famous Japanese dessert called taiyaki, which is a fish-shaped sweet bread filled with red bean paste. And then we went to see one of Shinjuku's most famous modern attractions, the giant 3D cat. It appears on a massive curved screen above one of the buildings near Shinjuku Station. Definitely don't forget to stop here at night.